Hello everyone, welcome to next round coding. Today we're going to solve LeetCode 4024 nearest available drone. This is an easy problem and this is the first problem asked in the weekly contest 515. So let's understand the problem and jump to the solution. So basically we have given a vector of vector drone where the drone I represents the x and y coordinate of the drone and the range of the drone. And we also given a target array which given the x and y coordinate of the target. Now we need to return the small index which have the smallest Manhattan distance, and if there is a tie in the Manhattan distance, we need to return the smallest index of the drone. Basically, Manhattan distance is nothing but the x1 minus x2, this one mod plus y1 minus y2. This one mod. This is the Manhattan distance. So basically, we need to return the index of the drone which have the smallest Manhattan distance from the target, and if there is any tie we need to return the smallest index, right? So now it is a pure implementation based problem, nothing is special over here. Just check just check each drone and get the minimum distance. If the minimum distance is lesser than our current minimum distance, just update our index, right? This way you can do it. So just for each drone, just calculate the distance will be nothing but the Manhattan distance, means dx minus xi plus dy minus yi. This is our distance, and if this distance is lesser than equal to our range, and our mean distance which we have get till this drone is greater than our distance, then we just update our mean distance to this distance and our answer to this height index, right? At the end we just return our answer. So without wasting any time, just quickly code it up. So first of all, we have a drones. So n will be drones dot size. We need to return the answer, which will be split -1, and our mean distance nothing but 90 max. Now just iterated over this drones array. Now our xi is drones of I 0. This will be our yi. This will be our range, right? Now quickly calculate the distance, which is nothing but abs of xi minus target of 0 and plus abs of yi minus target of 1. This is done. Now if our distance is lesser than equal to a range, means the drone is achievable to the target. So it is our range. Then, and we also need to check our mean distance is if greater than our distance, then our distance will be actually our mean distance will be our distance and our answer will be I, right? At the end, just return our answer. Good. Now, okay, just run it. Okay, there is some error. So Actually, the error is this will be our 2, right? Okay. As you can see, it is running fine. Now submit it. Yeah, it is accepted. So the time complexity for this approach will be big O of n, just iterating over the drones array, and the space complexity will be just big O of 1 because we are not using any extra space over here. So I hope the solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment me out, and please do like, share, and subscribe if this video is beneficial for you. Thank you.